Hey, it's Sean, and today we're going to talk about something that's been on a lot of people's minds. Will robots replace artists? Well, let's start by saying that robots or AI have gotten really good at making things like music and paintings. But even though they can create some amazing stuff, it's unlikely that they'll completely take over the art world. That's because art is about more than just the final product. It's about expressing feelings, thoughts, and experiences. And that's something that only humans can do because we have emotions and experiences that robots don't. Also, art is often inspired by the world around us, like our culture and our history. Robots can't experience those things in the same way that we do, so they can't create art that truly reflects them. And finally, art is important to us in a special way. It can make us feel things and connect with each other on an emotional level. Robots can't do that because they don't have emotions the same way that we do. So, in conclusion, even though robots can make some cool art, they can't replace artists. Art is special because it comes from humans and our unique experiences and our emotions. And that's something that robots can't replicate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about AI and other cool stuff and how it can help you in your everyday life and in your business. Have a great day.